Have you ever made puffy paint? It's pretty fun. Equal parts shaving cream, glue. I'm calling that like equal parts because this is foamy. We need to mix it. We're gonna make ice cream cones, mint chocolate chip. We're gonna do 3 because if you're gonna do 1, you might as well do 3. I've got a little canvas and I'm just gonna paint it. This is a really crunchy brush. I think it'll be fine. I'm gonna paint this canvas this blue, teal, aqua. While this dries, we're gonna get some cardboard. That'll work. Ice creams. Just gonna scoop it because that makes sense. We need toppings. I found these in the closet. Perfect. I think for the mint chocolate chip, I have to just cut some paper. We'll see. It is adorable. I have no idea how it's gonna dry. Future me will report back. It's been a day. It flattened out a little bit, but still puffy. And I'm super proud of my mint chocolate chip.